Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Arohi and you're watching It's Arohi Vibes. In this video, I'll be sharing so many things which I have recently purchased for myself. Not for myself, for my family also. I'm sure all of you are aware of that goat sale which was recently live on the Flipkart. I took all the advantage from that sale only. I thought why not to share it with all of you. Also, let me tell you one thing. I was literally following all the pages out there just to purchase things on sale, which is crazy. But luckily, I found so many things on sale. I'm so happy. Like, not all the products are from that goat sale. Recently, I was so active on the sale platforms just to buy the things on sale. So, here it is. I was literally waiting for so long. People around me were literally pushing me to shoot this video, but I was not feeling so well just to shoot it because it will take time to shoot this video. I mean, yeah. I got this, so just because of that, I got injection over here, which is so painful, but it's okay. Just let's just focus on this. What is that? Without any delay, let's get started the video. Yeah, and also don't worry, I'll be sharing all the links possible in the description box. And if you are new here, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such content. And please stay tuned for this video. I would tell you that I have already opened all the parcels because you know me, I'm so impatient. I don't have any patience to shoot. तो मैंने ये सब ओपन कर लिया है. Please don't judge me for this. I mean, it should be the unboxing video, but I have already opened. Can't help. No more chit chat. Let's focus on this video. I have ordered this, not firstly, but I am picking it up as my first one. This is a rosemary water, which is, you can see it. I will show it. मेरा ही फेस फोकस हो रहा है. Wait. You can see. So this is a rosemary and rice water, which you can just spray on your scalp like this. And after this, you do not have to wash your hair, or like you can leave it as it is. Like you just have to massage and leave it. Use it twice in a day or thrice in a day as per your mood. I will share the link with you. This is so healthy for your hair, and more information about this, go Google it and you will find. So the next one is this another box which is Odonil. So I have ordered it for home क्योंकि मम्मी को इसकी मम्मी ऑन सेल मैंने ये 200 का परचेज़ किया था, बट आपको ऑफलाइन ये मिलेगा मे बी 500 के अंडर में. इट कम्स इन वेराइटीज़ like I have got 8 boxes of this. So for one it's about 60 rupees. So for 8 it should be 480 if I'm not wrong. So fun fact, I have got it about 200 only. Yeah, I'll share the link with all of you. Don't worry for that. So firstly, this is the what is Mystic Rose flavor, and the another one is flavor, like the combo of one flavor, right? So it's the lavender, and the another one, where's the lavender? And this is the jasmine mist, and the another one, and this is also jasmine, so combo. And this is lavender, I guess. Yeah, this is lavender for the combo, and for orchid there's one left. So yeah, this is crazy. If you want to buy it, please go sure about the sale. I think it's ended up, I don't know, but I will share the link. You please check it out. If it's live, please go and grab it. It's so crazy. So we'll just reorganize. Another one I have already opened. Three are not online basically. This is one which I have got it from the VMart. So it's Lime Road Blue Kajal. You can see it, and the pigmentation is so good. Let me show you. This is not the waterproof. You can just smudge it like this. So it's just that, and the rest of two are from the online, and this is the white kajal from the Mars which I have recently wearing. So this is so nice. I love the white kajal. Like my eyes are, it's so small, right? So for me, I think white kajal is the best. My eyes looks more bigger. And honestly, while applying the blue kajal or the black kajal, I feel so short. I use them as my mood. So I'm sure you get it, what I want. So this is the white kajal from Mars, I have told you, and this is also have really nice pigment. You can see. Nice now? So this is really very affordable, I guess. I have, so its actual price is 149 and I got it in 120. So yeah. And this is the eyeliner. So I can just show you. This is also very pigmented, and this is, I think this is smudge proof, if I'm not wrong. Like I have ordered bulge of the products, so I am not sure about the products, like how they cost me. I'll mention all the things in the description for you to make it more easier. And this is something else, which is Fit Me Compact. This is so nice. Let me show you. And this cost me, I get it out. So I forgot the actual price of this. I'm so sorry. I'll tag all the things in the description so you can get it. And this is in the shade beige 3. It's right here. Yeah. So it's so nice. By the way, the packaging, I love the packaging and everything. You can see the shade. This is so good. Yeah, look at it. Just mix it like this. Yeah, it's one, and another one. Yeah, this is the another one. And it's really very nice, and I ordered it from the Flipkart, by the way, and its actual price is 600 and I got it under 350. So I thought it's really good, but it's not actually. Like I have bad experience with this. I have literally used it for only once, and after that I cannot find it working well. So can't help because the returning date are expired. So I can't do anything for this. So from my experience, I don't want you to get it. I will not share the link with all of you. If you want, please do let me know. I'll share it maybe in the another video. Honestly, I cannot find the good mic for myself, and if you have any idea, please share. Please suggest me some mic. And so the next one is this. It's Tresemme Keratin Smoothing Shampoo. I'm sure all of you knows about this also. And basically, it's not mine. It's for my brother. He ordered it for himself. So I thought, why not to show it in my video. Like I have really bad experience with this shampoo. Quick story time I would like to share with you. And in 2021 I was so following this shampoo. So while using this shampoo only, I got very intense hair fall. I was so depressed about the hair fall, combing my hair, and the hair were coming so in a big amount. So I was so depressed about my hair. Fun fact, so many of the people were suggesting me to leave this shampoo, but I was so blind at that time. I was like, how can I believe you? The Alia Bhatt was showing this shampoo. He got it 900. The next one is this Plum skincare kit, and honestly this is not mine, it's my siblings thing. They have ordered it for themselves. Actually it can, like they told me about the sale. They were like a sale which was so crazy. So on that sale they got 6 products only for 700 rupees, which is crazy. I mean, you all know the Plum brand prices, they're so high. This is Hibiscus Ceramide Long and Healthy Shampoo. It's so nice. And so they were literally using it since really very long time, and they found good response. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's good. It's for about 310. So you can see. This is the face wash which contains rice water, niacinamide, and it just brightens the skin. And this is for about 300, I guess. Yeah. So this is the second one there, and this is the Plum body mist. And actually they told me this is free. So nice. This is so nice. It's vanilla vibes. It's so good. And this is for 550. And fun fact, this is free in all these. Okay. The next one is this, again, the face wash. It contains saffron, papaya, and it just brightens the skin. And this is so good. I am literally trying it. I mean, not that much time I have used it. I have used it for about 2 to 3 times, and I found really good. Actually, my skin type is dry, so for me, I want some like moisturizing face wash. So this is exactly that. I love it. So it's also free and it's for 150 and share. It contains salicylic acid, it's anti-dandruff. If you are having the dandruff, you can try it. It's frizz free and it's for 500. And it's rice water niacinamide serum. Actually, I have tried it. I don't think this is good for me. And this is for 400. It's Swiss Beauty concealer. I'm sure you remember this, how much time I have recommended this to you. This is mascara, Maybelline. This is a Maybelline New York mascara. If you know me how much I love these mascaras. So I have got it under 400 only. So it's only one's actual price is 400 something, and on sale, on that goat sale, I found it for 400 only. So it's too good, too satisfying for me. So yeah, this is the kapda we have ordered for our mama. It's not for me, it's for my mummy. She loved the green color in Sawan, so it's too good. You can see it's too nice. The print and everything, let me show you. It's too good, and it's for like 800. Yeah, it's not from that sale. It's like I'll share the link with you. And you can see the dupatta. It's too good. Let me just show you the dupatta. I love these kind of dupattas, you know. I know these are not adjustable, but I love them. You can see the dupatta and the color is too good. In Brown family, everyone used to love the green color in Sawan. It's mandatory to wear the green clothes in Sawan. So, yeah, I will also order something green for myself. Actually, I do have so many green color suit, but the fabric and the material of the clothes I don't like. So maybe another thing I'll order for myself. This eraser based foundation stick. It's too good. Actually, I have purchased it offline, but if I can found this on any Flipkart or Meesho or Mintra, I will definitely tag the link for you. So it spells like EHMZUV. So you tell me how to call it. This is for brush. This is too good. You can check it out. This is so good. And this is the brush. It's so dense. Another side in which the foundation stays. So this is like this. And then this is another thing. I have recently ordered it, this silicone kind of thing from the Meesho. So this is like this only. I can just place my phone on the wall like this. So for that only I have ordered. And the phone case also I have ordered for myself. This is not the one. I have already applied it on my phone, so I cannot show it. It was the combo of 3, and I found it for about 130, I guess. Actually, it's not gonna stick on the wall. It will stick only on the tiles like that. The mirror only, and for the wall, it will just fall down, and it's maybe risky. On that, not on the plain tiles. You just found that dardara tiles. I'm not. If you're using it, please be aware. The razor which I am recently using. So for me, literally, I don't like waxing or something. I don't want any pain. I don't want my brows to be thread because it's really very painful for me. I used to do it from the facial razor. I will maybe sharing it. I'm sure you all are getting what I'm trying to say, that I have only few selected people to do waxing or something. So personally मैं आपके ब्राउज और वैक्सिंग कर सकती हूँ, अपने नहीं. तो उस चीज़ को आसान बनाने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस रेज़र. और मैंने बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स के भी रेज़र्स यूज़ करे हैं, बट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो सो गुड ऑन अ वेरी लो प्राइस. It's a combo of 6 and it's for 60 or 50 rupees I found. So make sure if you are using this, what you have to do is you do not have to press it on your skin. You have to glide it on your skin. If you pressing it on your skin, you will definitely hurt yourself and the skin from that area will comes out. So it's risky. So make sure you be careful while using it. This is the last one. So this is too cute. I found it on offline Thela basically. There only I purchased them. So basically, let me tell you the price of this. I am sure you are going to be surprised. Maybe you all are guessing it for about 10 or something. I don't know. Maybe few people are guessing it for 20 also. But these clutches, like all of them are only 5 rupees. Like each one of them for 5 rupees, not all. So one for 5 rupees, and this is too good, and I am using it since really very long time. Breakable. If you fall it down, it will not break down. Trust me. So yeah, I will give it to you. So for that you have to comment. Don't forget. So yeah, this about this video. I'm sure you like it, and if you do, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please do let me know in the comment section how much you like all these products and which product you want from yourself. And for link, don't worry, I have already told you that I will mention all the things in the description box. Please let me know how am I looking, cause I have applied that Korean brand foundation stick foundation basically. So I took really small amount and I just, is it looking uneven? Like, I please do let me know in the comment section which type of content you want from me. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such content and see you in the next vlog. And bye bye, take care, see you in the next vlog.